So this is my welding table setup. It's an old Mac cart. I got I like to keep extra grinders and gloves and stuff like that. These power adapters that come with these things, keep all that stuff in here. Extra electric controlled gas regulator, flow meter. In here I got some different types of rods, brazing rods. I got some flux core here actually. Here's the owner's manual for the old Amico. And then here's the TIG stuff for the Amico, which I've never actually used because I don't have any argon currently. You know, just some cleaner stuff and discs, extra tips. And then in here we got the this is where I keep all these leads and stuff when they're not being used, because I hate cords, I hate hoses. That's why all my stuff is battery powered now. So the old Amico inverter welder CTS 160 plasma TIG stick. I've used it in the stick mode and I've used it in cut mode. I haven't used the TIG, so I don't have argon, but it's pretty good at burning rods. I don't know how accurate the voltage and power is here, but it cuts and welds pretty good. See, I got here's some pieces of 1/4 inch that I cut out with this thing. This is just freehand, so you know it's not. I don't exactly have the strongest, steadiest hands, but it burns right through that 1/4 inch like it's nothing. And all I had to do was plug my air compressor into it, and I have a 50 amp 220 service that comes directly from my panel, so it's got good clean power. One thing I did notice is that every time I'd crack the arc and start it, my camera box would turn off, and also the Wi-Fi dongle adapter I got on there would reset. So I'm guessing there's some high frequency harmonics that's going back into the power panel, which is messing with some of that stuff. You know, physics. But for a $300 eBay Chinese special, this is awesome. And here is the ground cable that comes with it. I just made a video separately talking about this junk Everlast. This is what the Everlast comes with, this little one, and that's their big claim to fame. They really get behind that, and they think that's good stuff. So here's the Chinese welder one. Much more thicker cable, much more bigger clamp, much more bigger connector on that. So awesome ground. The plasma cut lead I think is 8 feet, and so is the TIG. So all in all, this is pretty nice. I like it. If I had to buy it again, I definitely would. And then we got the old Everlast Cyclone 200E, which I'm running off of pure CO2, off a flow meter. Pretty overall, pretty happy with this. It melts metal. Not really sure how accurate the voltage settings are. I never actually tested it, but all in all, I'm pretty happy with this, except for that stupid ground cable, which is retarded. I made a whole nother video on that. That thing just caught on fire on me trying to make a simple little weld here. Just burst into flames. But yeah, all in all, this is pretty simple. I got some extra tools in here. I got the tops for my torch stuff in here, and I kind of just clamped this vise on here, which is another eBay special too.